Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of With a Life Butter. It's your girl Ashley, y'all, and today we taking a little break from our high pound cakes, and I'm bringing you just a regular pound cake. Okay, here we have a lemon cream cheese pound cake. Lemon has been like a hot topic lately, so I was like, hey, let's go ahead and do a little lemon pound cake, and let's do it regular style. All right, so as always, the ingredients and all that instructions are in the description, but it's also going to be linked into the first comment. All right, don't forget to like this video, share it if you haven't already, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into this video. So we're going to start with adding 3 sticks of room temperature salted butter to our bowl. Salted butter, y'all, has really been a game changer for me lately. I used to use unsalted and add salt, but using salted is something different. It really boosts the flavor of the pound cake and enhances the sugar flavor even. All right, so we're going to get that nice and cream with our sugar until it's nice, light, and fluffy, and pulling away to the sides of the bowl as you can see here. So we're going to give this bowl a nice little scrape before we add in our cream cheese. Our cream cheese is also at room temperature, and I have already cubed it so it's for easier mixing. You definitely want your cream cheese to be softened at room temperature, or you're going to have a harder time incorporating it into your batter and it's going to be clumpy. So make sure you take your time and do that. You may have to take your cream cheese out even a little earlier than you take out your other ingredients. My ingredients come to room temperature like in the summertime, about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It varies. I give myself a 3 hour window, so I have plenty of time. All right. So we're giving a nice little scrape again here, and we're adding in our lemon emulsion. We use lemon emulsion instead of lemon juice because it's just a little easier. With lemon juice, it can be tricky. It can cause gluten streaks in your batter if you don't use it properly. It has to be used with the baking soda or baking powder since it's an acidic ingredient. But that's another story for another day. Lemon emulsion really infuses your batter with flavor. We added our eggs in here, room temperature, one at a time as well, until they were combined into the batter. You don't want to overmix your eggs. And then lastly, we're coming in. Y'all see how velvety that batter was after the eggs? I love that. So then we're coming in with our all-purpose flour. You can also use cake flour, and we're adding that a little bit at a time until it's combined. So like 3 parts, we're using 3 cups of flour. You can add it in 3 parts. All right, give that a nice little mix, and we get to the end. And of course, you all know I like to hand mix. So my oven is already preheated, of course. It's at 325 degrees. We're going to bake this cake for about an hour and 15 minutes. Time is relative, y'all. So if your cake is done, start checking on it at the hour point. If you feel like your cake is getting done a little faster, take it out earlier. If you feel like your cake needs to be baked longer, bake it longer. Use a toothpick test. Everybody's oven is different. Everybody's everything is different, right? Time is relative, so use different methods to determine if your cake is right for you. Okay, so we're gonna make a glaze with powdered sugar, lemon emulsion, and milk. You need a couple of tablespoons of milk. It really depends on your preference if you want a thick or a thinner glaze. All right, and we're gonna pour that right over this cake. Make sure your cake is completely cooled before adding it, or if not, it's going to thin your glaze. I want it like a translucent kind of feel for my glaze. So having a hot cake would have just made my glaze even thinner and look like almost nothing. Added a little lemon zest on top just for a little different look. And y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a look at this slice before we go ahead and get into the taste test. Look at that beauty. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this taste test. So let's see how much this lemon is gonna be popping in this cake. Ooh, that moisture. Mm-hmm. Oh, that icing is really lemony. If you're more of a lemon person, use lemon extract versus lemon emulsion. Lemon emulsion boosts the flavor in the cake, infuses the cake with flavor, but I think lemon extract will give you more of that pungent flavor. Or you can also do the glaze with a combination of powdered sugar and lemon juice versus milk. And we'll put the emulsion in there, but you can just do the lemon juice and the powdered sugar. That's great though. You can't never mess me with anything cream cheese pound cake. So you know what I want y'all to do? Like this video if you haven't already. Share it. Don't be stingy. Always make sure that you share. Subscribe if you haven't already. And join me back for more over here with the light butter. Okay, bye.